Grade 9 PT in ICT.
Today we're going to show you how to make a straight through and a crossover Ethernet cable.
Of course, we will need cable, cutter, crimping tool, and RJ45 plug. Step 1. Cut into the plastic sheath 1 inch from the end of the cut cable using the cutter. Step 2 and 3. Unwind the wires and arrange them according to its color. Unwind it like this. Here's a guide to help you arrange them.
This is the pattern to follow if you want to make a straight through Ethernet cable. And this is the pattern to follow if you want to make a crossover Ethernet cable.
Step 4. Use wire cutter to make a straight cut across the wire 1.5 inch from the cut sleeve to the end of the wire. Just like this. Step 5. Push the wires into the connector. Each wire fits into a slot in the RJ45 connector. Just like this. Step 6. Carefully place the connector into the Ethernet crimper and cringe down on the handles tightly. Just like this.
And that's how to make a straight through and a crossover Ethernet cable. Thanks for watching. To God be the glory.